I'm gonna show you some cool features here with your Bank of America app. I think it's pretty cool since I had time in this COVID-19, got everybody locked down. I had a little time to play with this app. So I'm gonna go through here with Bank of America. I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna go ahead and log on and show you guys. And if you know more features, put it in the comments below and let's share this information. I think they're pretty cool. It'll save you a lot of time, especially like for me. I'm gonna click on my checking account. You can go to your dashboards and different products, but I'm gonna just click on my checking account and I'm gonna scroll down. And then this one right here, your spending budget. Like mine says, nice work. Your average you spend is $1,900 less than the deposit each month. So it tells you your spending habits, or give you a tracking. See if you're spending more than what you're bringing in. And then you got your thing right here says goals. Easy save for goals like vacation, cars, or education. Let's go through here. Let's click a goal here. All right. And this right here, say, hey, you could put a picture up there. Say you want to go on a vacation. This picture. So we're going to save for a vacation. And you customize it how you want and get started. Okay, we're going to add that picture. What do you want to save for? Enter your goal. And we're going to just type vacation. Okay, you hit next. Okay, take a look at it, choose a photo. Let's just choose this photo here. Enter the amount you want to save. We'll say $2,000. Done. Target date. Let's say August 10. Done. And say save goal. And that's it. And you can go here and you can fund your goal like you want to put in. So right now I got 0 and I want to fund it. I'm going to put $100 or so forth. So that's how you can save for goals of vacation or car. You want to buy a car or anything. So we're going to click not now. And I'm going to go back. And you can see where it says a goal. I got the vacation goal. I don't have no money in it. And then the target date is August the 10th. And you can set up other goals also, like for a car, truck, whatever you want to do. This is pretty neat right here, the mobile ordering. Say, for instance, we want to order bills. And this is good for us, especially me and my wife. We have a food truck that we do events at. So we want to click, say we need get some cash, different types of cash. We need some 1s, 10s, 20s, and so on. So you click on bills and coins. It says, tell us how much cash you need and when you want to pick it up. Next, pay for your order online or in person with a check or cash. Next, pick up your order at the Financial Institute Center or at the Bank of America location. So I'm gonna hit got it. Let's say, for instance, I'll say 20s. We want $100 in 20s and 10s. Click on that. Let's say 100. Then 5s. We'll click 50. Then 1s. We'll click 50s. So you see, we got a total of $300 so far. And if you want some quarters, you can put $10 worth of quarters, $5 worth of dimes, $2 worth of nickels, whatever you want. Let's say pennies, you want $1. So we'll put $1. How much? $1 worth of pennies. Okay. And then what you hit continue. And then you pick which account you want to take it out. It says, I bring cash or check, or you want to take it out your account. You want to take it out your checking or savings, and you can go through the process and then go by the bank and pick it up. I thought that was pretty neat. So I'm not going to pick one of these. I don't want to go through the process. I was just showing you how to do it. So I'm going to hit cancel. Yes, I want to cancel. Another thing I thought was pretty cool, this foreign currency. So for instance, you click on it. And this it's just telling you what to do. Let us know where you're going and how much you need. Pick your currency up at the Bank of America Financial Center or have it mailed to you at your home. I thought that was pretty cool. So I'm going to hit got it. We're going to go through, say for instance, we want to go to, it's maybe these are the most popular up here. You got Mexico, Canada, Australia, Switzerland. Let's say Dominican. Okay, you go down there and type, hit Dominican. Say for instance, I think the minimum you can get is $25. So we're gonna do 25. And then it says you want mixed bill, small bills, large bills. We'll just say mix, hit continue. So, and there you go. I'm not going to go through the process of ordering this because we're not going nowhere right now. But yeah, I think it's pretty cool. You can go ahead and order your currency that you're going to be needing, and you can pick it up at the bank or have it mailed to you before you go. So we're going to hit cancel. And you can view all your activities, even right here, your ATM withdrawal. Say you're going to the ATM and you just want to go there and pick up maybe $100 through the ATM. You don't want to go through it and punch in the amount. This will work for you right here. It says how to get started. So I'm going to click on this ATM, how to start your ATM withdrawal. So it says set up the withdrawal in advance, then pick it up at your Bank of America. Here's how it works. In the app, enter the withdrawal amount. Then at the ATM, enter your ATM card, enter your PIN, and then enter, okay, it says, enter your ATM card, then you enter your PIN, and then it'll spit out the money that you need. You already had the request set up for $100. So you don't have to go through the process of typing in $100. It'll give you that amount. Or you can use your ATM wallet, your mobile app wallet here, and just put it up against the ATM and it'll spit the money out. So if anybody have tried some of these, let me know how you think they work or how they work for you. So it's a lot of neat stuff you can do. You got your Zelle transfer, a lot of stuff. So since you got time, just go through here. This might can save you some time and effort, especially for us. I like the food truck thing to where we can order like 10s, 20s, 5s. And when we get to the bank, it's already ready for us. We just pick it up and go. All right, if this video helps, subscribe to my channel. And thank you and have a great day.